Hey guys, this is the hair that I used. I got it from Amazon. Just pause the screen. This is what it's called. This is the amount that I used. No, the width is not outside of my finger, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I just separated it out in little small pieces. Here is the curly hair that I use. You can just pause and get that. This is what they look like. They're like a loose wave curl. They were really cute. And here's the edge control. Just pause it. And this is what I'm going to use. And I'm also going to use jam. I'm going to use jam at the top of my hair. And then I'm going to comb it through. And on the end of a hair, I'm going to use the gummy edge control, which helps it stay sleek. And what I'm going to do is start off braiding. That little pinch, I'm going to add in the regular braid hair in that portion right there, as you can see. And I'm going to continue braiding. You have to know how to braid because this is going to be, difficult for you if you don't know how. So the next part, there's my little pinch again. I'm going to add in the curly hair right there, but I'm going to pinch that, put the other end on the side, braid the curly hair into the braid. I'm sorry, kind of messed up right there, but I'm going to try it again. Braid it into the braid. Keep it up there, or you can just pin it up there and braid it down. So I started off with my real hair. I did the pinch. I added in the braiding hair, and then I braided down. Then I added in the curly hair. And now I'm adding in another piece. Like I said, flip it over. You can pin it down if you feel like it's like flying all over the place, and just braid it into the braid. This was really fun, easy, and it wasn't any tight feeling on my head or anything. I already did my baby hairs. Well, I did some of my baby hairs just to separate it out. And the good thing about the edge control is that it doesn't give you a white flake. I'm going to seal my braid with my flat irons. I'm not going to use glue or anything. And this is how it's going to look. And it's giving that boho chic. I'm so excited. And it's so cute. And it was so easy. And I did big parts because I didn't want to be in my head all day. And this is how it looks. And I sectioned my hair in 7 sections. And then after I braided all my hair, I dipped my hair. One thing I can say is the curl might loosen up after you dip the hair, but it should be fine. Just make sure you get a really curly brand or whatever, and the loose curls will still come out looking boho chic. And here's the results.
Hey guys. Okay, so I'm all done, as you can see. It took me a little while because adding like those little pieces in, trying to get them pieces in or whatever, but it's real pretty. It's really long, and I love it. So, yeah, you could do it. Baby hairs, use this. Baby hairs will not move. So, this is if it was like over to the side, this is over to the side or whatever. And you already saw down in the middle, it's giving me like, a little Bohemian. There's a ponytail or whatever. So yes, so there you have it. Like I said, if you wanted to do it to the side, I'm going to put some rods on them because probably after I dipped my hair, it kind of like probably went out, kind of loosened up too much. So, because I want the pieces that I added in to be more curlier than the actual braiding hair. So, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment below on how well you're doing or if you're struggling. So, like I said, until next time, bye.